Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Now select On-Screen Keyboard, click on Gboard, and tap on Theme. Following that, you can scroll down and tap on the best one for you. You can also click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available ones. I will go with this one. Now tap on this little switcher next to key borders to switch them off or on. When you're ready, save your keyboard by choosing Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always access the same settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes in order to customize it. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like Downloads. After tapping on your image, you need to pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then hit Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. And tap on Done. Finally, you can manage key borders and choose Apply. If you want to delete one of your keyboards, click on the chosen one, select this pin icon, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also edit one of your custom ones by clicking on it and choosing this pen next to pin. Finally, make your changes, tap on Next, adjust brightness, hit Save, and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!